It's easy to believe that what you see is all there is. Yet science tells us that the human eye perceives only about 0.005% of the electromagnetic spectrum. That means the vast majority of reality is quite literally invisible to us. So seeing truly isn't always believing. And here then is the inspiration I want you to carry away with you today. We are eternal souls, luminous beings composed of photons and whose essence stretches beyond the visible. Just because a part of our nature cannot be seen, it doesn't mean that it's not real. Remember, the most profound truths are often those felt with the soul rather than seen with the eyes. So if you've enjoyed this, follow for more, like and share. Thank you.